How to add another account on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to create another Roblox account? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Open up a Roblox app and then go to the more option on the bottom right and then scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see switch accounts option. Tap on it and there you'll see add account. Tap on it, tap on create new account, and now you can start by putting in your date of birth. Make sure that you are older than 18 years. Confirm your birthday, put in a name, don't use a real name, put in your gender, hit continue and add in an email address and password. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.